In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use Midjourney's new edit feature to customize your AI images and get results like this. Hi, my name is Thomas and I'm a product photographer from Finland. I make videos about product photography and AI. Now, in my last video, I showed you my entire workflow of how I use AI to create product images. And since I posted that video, Midjourney has actually released a new edit feature, which allows you to customize your AI images within Midjourney. Now, recently I had a client project where I created AI images and provided the client with these before putting their product into the environment. The client had a couple of requests of expanding some of the images or changing the aspect ratio, or maybe taking away or adding some detail into the images themselves. Now, for this purpose, the new edit feature within Midjourney is really excellent. In order to access this feature, you're gonna have to visit Midjourney's website, midjourney.com. I also believe you have to be on an annual plan of Midjourney in order to use this feature, but it's well worth the cost. Now, here in the sidebar on the Midjourney website, you'll see this edit button. Here you can upload your own image that you want to customize. Now, within this editor, you can simply choose the eraser tool and paint over the area you want to change. Or you can change the aspect ratio in order to expand the image vertically or horizontally. Here you can see me using the editor to change the aspect ratio of some of the images that I created. I also wanted to change some of the details in these images of the bag of tea. I wanted to add some smoke and change the handle of the pan itself. Now, of course, you could do most of these things in Photoshop as well, but I think that the quality of expanding the images in Midjourney's edit feature is better than generative fill. And in Midjourney, when you have done your changes, you can upscale to gallery, which will apply the same effect on the whole image, so your changes really feel like they belong in the image. Now, opening this settings menu next to the Submit Edit button, you'll see that you have the ability to choose which model you want to use, which mode. You can also unlock personalization. I haven't done that yet, but I'm interested to test it out. Then you can choose the stylization, weirdness and variety of the images, which will result in different style of images. And then, of course, the most essential part is that when you make changes, you have to add a prompt to what you want to see. So this is comparable to the generative fill command that you give in Photoshop. Now, when I was satisfied with the results, I just did the same process as I showed you in my last video about my workflow. I took my own photos, trying to match them up with the AI images, and then in Photoshop and Lightroom, I blended the images together, and here are the results. Now, I'm constantly trying to find the best way to do this, using my own images and AI together to create some cool product concepts. So if you have any tips or tools you want me to check out, please leave them in the comments below and I promise I'll check them out. But that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.